We stand here today at Camp Pendleton, reflecting on the events of December 2nd, 2025. During exercise Steel Night 25, we witnessed a sight that perfectly captures the modern reality of warfare. Marines and sailors, shoulder to shoulder, engaging low-altitude threats with shotguns. This was not merely a routine qualification at the range. It was a definitive statement on the necessity of adaptation, survival, and lethality in a new era of conflict. We must confront a hard truth. The battlefield as we once knew it has vanished. Distance and air superiority. But today, the rear no longer exists. The rapid proliferation of small unmanned aerial systems, C-sUAS, has turned the sky just a few hundred feet above us into a contested domain. A drone costing less than $1,000, easily bought and easily deployed, now has the potential to disrupt our multi-million-dollar supply chains, compromise our command posts, or threaten our medical clearing stations. The C-sUAS shotgun range we conducted was about more than just marksmanship. It was about forging tactical intuition. In an age where electronic warfare and high-tech jamming are constantly evolving, we cannot afford to rely solely on complex systems that may be contested or compromised. Sometimes, the most reliable line of defense is a kinetic one. A warrior with a shotgun and the split-second judgment to neutralize a threat before it can strike. The performance of 1st MLG during this exercise proved that while technology changes, the deciding factor remains the individual's ability to adapt and overcome. Exercise Steel Night 25 is the crucible where we test our integration as a Navy Marine Corps team. We are not operating in isolation. We are part of a larger machine designed for Expeditionary Advanced Base Operations, EABO. Our mission is clear. Respond forward. We must be ready to deploy and sustain ourselves in the most austere environments at a moment's notice. Integrate across domains. The Navy's maritime power and the Marine Corps' ground logistics must form a single, unbreakable web of defense and sustain. Sustain MAGTF readiness. Logistics is the lifeblood of the Marine Air Ground Task Force. If we cannot defend our assets from the low-altitude ghosts of the drone age, we cannot sustain the fight. Every round fired on that range reinforces our identity as combat logisticians. We are not just suppliers. We are defenders of the line. By training to counter these rapidly evolving technologies, we send a message to any adversary. Our supply lines are not vulnerabilities. They are hardened, defended, and resilient. As we look toward the close of 2025 and beyond, the pace of technological change will only accelerate. Drones will become smaller, faster, and more autonomous. But that's exactly why we train here at Pendleton. We train to be faster than the threat. We train to ensure that when the low-altitude threat appears on the horizon, our response is not hesitation, but precise, overwhelming action. The professionalism and grit you have shown throughout Steel Night 25 are the bedrock of our readiness. You have demonstrated that no matter how the tools of war change, the spirit of the Marine and the sailor remains the ultimate weapon. Let us take the lessons learned from this range back to our units. Stay sharp, stay adaptable, and remain ready for the challenges of tomorrow.